Right, so we are here. I've got some nice road coming up ahead, so I just had to stop. I had to take my flipping plaque off. I had to take the YouTube channel name off because it was just making too much of a rattling noise. But we're ready to go, man. Literally up ahead, about to smash some nice roads. So I put fuel in it as well. So I'm gonna put it into dynamic now. Put it into, oh my God. Just as we are about to go, man, the flipping light went red. But it's fine, it's cool, gives me a time to talk to you guys. But yeah, it's gonna be lit, man. I already tested out a little bit yesterday and it was absolutely phenomenal. But yeah, this is gonna be lit, man. It's gonna be lit. Let me give you guys a little rev. I'm gonna drive the car with the windows up and the windows down, just in case, yeah. So like, I'll see if you guys can get a better sound or something, but here we go. Yeah, boy. A launch control is the maddest sound ever, bro. Watch. This is launch control. This is launch control, yeah. That is nuts, bro. That's launch control right there, man. But yeah, anyway, let's wait for this light to go green and we'll go. And also, I believe there's 2 tunnels here as well. So we're gonna hear it. There's one actually coming up right now. Yeah, there is one coming up. You'll be able to hear it nicely. But I'm gonna have the window down. Here we go! Tunnel. Why is the gears not changing? I don't understand. And that's literally it. That's literally how short that road is. Literally how short that road is. Can't get enough of it. Imagine the stage 2 remap. Oh my God. This thing will be nuts. Absolutely nutty. You hear an echo from that van. That's nuts, bro. That is insane. Right. Our first stop, well, second stop, I said it will be the city, but we're gonna hit up the stadium and literally go down the strip and hear what it sounds like. It's a nice, beautiful F-Type that just drove past. That's mad. Woo-wee. I'm having way too much fun, bro. Way too much fun. Talking about vape, life's good, man. You know what, guys? If you got a car like this, you got a nice car or just a fast car in general, yeah, and you don't have a girl, let me give you one advice, yeah. Forget your gal. Forget trying to even find a gal. Let one come to you, bro. And in that time, for a gal to come to you, yeah, just spend your money, yeah, on bloody car parts to try and make the car louder, faster, and everything, man. Don't spend your money on the hoes. Spend your money on the cars. That's what I'm doing. You know what? I'm a single man now. I'm like, you know what? F it. I'm not even gonna try bother finding girls no more, bro. I'ma just spend the money on the car instead of girls. Kids on their bike just looking, bro. You hear that? Cause it's so loud. It scared them. Oh. I don't know what the kids just said, but look at him just cycling, bro. That's insane. Right, we're about to pull up to the strip. Let's see people's reactions, bro. Oh, look at this guy crossing the road. That's insane. That is nutty. That is absolutely nutty. That's nuts. Not actually a lot of people on the strip today. Oh, it's cool. literally still sounds awesome. People are just looking, bro. People are just looking. They're like, who the hell is this guy, bro? Just making so much noise, bro. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna head to the city, and when I get there, I'll see you guys when I get there. Woo! Nice chica out there. Nice chica. Should I go get the number? Anyway, we're in city now, man. Time to annoy some people. Let's see if this bad boy echoes. God damn. God damn. Oh, C63 right in front of me, bro. I don't know if you guys can see that, but try to get him to rev. Come on, is that a lady driver? Come on, give us some revs. Aye! Shit! I'm sick, bro. He gave us some revs. Hold on. Oh, I'm not even going that way, but oh my god, I had to turn back around on myself. I had to. He gave it the beams. I was like, you know what, I'm giving it the beams as well. That was sick. I don't even know if the camera captured that, bro. That's a beautiful S1 there, actually, but I don't even know if the camera captured that, bro. But literally right in front of me, the C63, he gave it a few revs, bro. I literally just followed him, bro. I wasn't even able to, I wasn't keeping up at all, man. But he gave me a good bit of gap, but you know what? That car was like 450 or 60 brake, bro. So, you know. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh my oh my god. Oh, why are you serious? Oh my god, the light literally went red as soon as I zoomed down. It went red, so I had to slam my foot on the brake. I nearly flipping crossed it. Oh my god, man. And then literally just went green as soon as I stopped. That's just BS right there, man. That is insane. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. There's bad people in city today. Oh my god. But that Mercedes, that C63 was mad. That was nuts. That was nutty. Nutty. Literally echoes when it bounces off other cars is nuts, bro. Different level. Oh my god, there's a helicopter up there. I really hope you guys can hear the sound and the wind is not really getting in the way. Oh my goodness, bro. Right, we're about to drive down the street, bro. Let's see what's going on. Oh my god. Right, guys, if you have an S3, drive it with traction fully control off. I've always been scared, yeah, of driving this car with traction fully off, bro. But I spoke to my mate I saw yesterday. He's got a Golf 4, a red one, yeah. And he told me, bro, just drive it, yeah. Just drive it. Just drive it. He said to me, just drive it without traction, bro. Nothing bad will happen because the hard disk system would just catch you back. And oh my god, bro, I'm driving it literally ESP off, traction control fully off, and oh my god, it's a different level, bro. Different level of driving, man. It is absolutely nuts. Oh my god. Right, let's go down here, man. Let's see what's going on. Waiting for this van, bro. Come on, van, move. Oh, there's another flipping person as well. And I've noticed they put bumps in the strip as well, so cars don't go flying by, bruv. Oh my good, no, I don't know her. I thought I knew the person in that little car. This is insane, bruv. People are just looking, they're like, oh my God. Look at this insane guy. Oh my God, but I love it, I love it. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my God. This car is awesome, man. Legit. I don't know what temps we're getting. I don't have the intercooler yet. Oh my God. 112 degrees the car is on. That's nuts. Need to get that intercooler to cool everything down a bit more. Right, we're on 12th Street in MK, bruh. Let's get it. Oh my God. Oh mate, this is absolutely bonkers. Literally ridiculous, bruv. Absolutely ridiculous. I hope I don't get reported for flipping driving like a maniac in the city. That won't be good if I do. I don't even know how long I've been recording for, man. But okay, everyone looking in the bus stop. Oh my God. Why the car don't get changed here? That's nuts, man. This car is flipping nuts. Alright guys, I'm gonna leave it there. I can smell the fumes, man. I'm gonna leave it there, yeah? Thank you guys so much for watching the video. This is the car, what it sounds like if you're thinking of doing a downpipe in your car. This is what it's gonna sound like. This is a 17 plate, so there's no OPF or any of that crap that they normally put in these cars, yeah. But yeah, man, that's been the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more videos and if you want me to get a passenger in the seat to react to the noise, then let me know in the comment section below and I'll be sure to make that video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm trying to do this quickly before the light goes green, but yeah, thank you guys so much and I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace. Hit that subscribe button as well, bro.